smell fear on you.
Hi there, I'm Roux. Welcome to my video. In this video, I thought I would show you a simple costume. That of Louise. Yes. The most ingenious child in the universe. Also known as a cartoon character on Bob's Burgers. The best one. Yeah. If you don't know who Louise is, ooh, girl, boy, you have some awesome binging ahead of you because there's like 9 seasons now of Bob's Burgers. Bob's Burgers is like if you took The Simpsons and just made it a billion times better. It's literally the funniest cartoon family in the universe, and Louise is my favorite character. Louise is the youngest of the family, and she's like always up to no good, and she's always got some quip remarks. Watch for lunch ladies and feds. So of course, if I was going to make a simple costume, she was one of the top picks. I was actually going to make Linda Belcher, the mother, but that would have included some more ordering online, and girl, I'm broke, okay? I needed to do something where I could just make some shit out of stuff I already have, if we're being honest. Now, I made this dress myself for this costume using this old mermaid fishtail that I had made in some sort of attempt to make like a Little Mermaid video years ago. I don't know if I actually posted it. You could go through that, I don't know, I'm a little scared to check it out myself, but it might exist. But I took the mermaid tail and I unraveled it, and I decided to make a dress out of it because it is the perfect color for Louise's dress. Also, they didn't have any dresses anywhere near me where they were like lime green and fabulous, so you know, if you want to achieve this costume look, you could totally just buy a green dress or like a green t-shirt, but yeah, I didn't have that choice, so mermaid tail to dress it is. So I took the mermaid tail and I unraveled it. That took some time. And then I took the fabric and I folded it double, and then I put the dress that I was going to use as a blueprint because measuring and stuff is not my thing. I took a dress that I thought, this looks like the dress Louise has but in a different color. Let's just copy this dress. That's how I roll. So I pinned that dress to the fabric that I had folded in two, and I just sewed around it. And I gotta say, it worked out pretty well. At first it seemed really snug, but then, you know, it's working. The other fabric of the other dress was more stretchy and I hadn't really calculated that in. But yeah, I think it works. I'm happy with it. To get Louise's like more poofiness at the end of the dress, I took some extra fabric that I had cut off and I sort of sewed it in there to like get it to be like, woo. Yeah. So I'm happy about how it turned out. I didn't spend a lot of time on this. Like, it's not perfectly sewn at all. Like, there's like bits everywhere that's sticking out that I'm just gonna fold in because it's still gonna look great. Why put in extra effort to be like the perfectionist of the universe when you don't have to? That is something that I have to work on every day. You too? Okay, good. I'm not alone. The second thing you need once you've either bought, because you don't want to spend hours and hours and hours making a dress. I did it by hand, that's why it took hours and hours. I should have gotten my sewing machine out. In hindsight, yes. But if you don't want to spend that time and you just bought a dress and are all good, the next item you need is the Louise bunny ears. Now, these ones I actually bought from the official Bob's Burgers merchandise site when they were still sending internationally, before they started doing that nonsensical thing of not being inclusive to everyone. I mean, come on now, I'm offended. I also wanted Bob's Burgers Monopoly. But before they had that silly little rule, I got to order these. I mean, you can probably order them on Amazon, or you can get really just like it on Etsy. Someone's probably making it, you know, or you could make your own. I'm not going to attempt that at all. But yeah, So that's the next thing you need. And then it's the hair. Well, actually that comes before the ears, but anywho, the hair, you just put it into 2 little pigtails. And you're all set. I'm going to pair this outfit with some black shoes that I already have. You know, just some plain black shoes. I'm not going to wear them now in my kitchen. As previously mentioned, I'm a germaphobe and I'm not about having dirty shoes in my kitchen. No. And that's how you achieve Louise fabulousness. It's literally one of the easiest costumes in the universe and the history of time. I think I'm going to use this costume to hand out candy to trick-or-treaters because last week's costume, Dry Truth, is what I'm going to wear for my like Halloween partying. But definitely this is like a suitable handing out treats to kids, you know, as Louise is a kid and very fond of candy. Actually, if Louise were to hand out candy, she would eat it all. There would be no handing it out. If we're being honest. But I am going to give it to the children. I promise. What are you going as for Halloween? Comment below. Do you have several outfits like me where you have like a party outfit and a handing out candy outfit? Halloween is on a Wednesday this year. It's not like people are gonna party on a Wednesday, are they? Only insane people would do that. Yes. So handing out candies on Wednesdays and parties on the weekends, am I right? I think that's all. I hope that's good. Was it? I don't know. Comment, you know, what are you going as this Halloween, and subscribe and like and share and click the bell icon. This is the opposite of what Louise would be doing. She would not be singing, and also she would probably tell someone to fuck off. See you next time. Happy Halloween.